Hey YouTubers, fellow travelers, this is Chris Willett with Notes from a Vagabond. This video is about a portable shower I made for road trips. Easy to take along in my truck or my car, whether I'm jumping in the ocean, want to rinse off, or got some dishes to do. I think this is a great setup. I looked at a lot of different setups on YouTube and I didn't care for them. This is totally portable, so if I want to take it to a picnic table, I can bring it there. Pretty simple project. What I got is I got one of these 20-liter military grade water containers. And then I drilled a hole here, and I got this on and off, garden hose connector, so I can turn it on and off. And then the way I got it set up now, I got one of these spray guys just for doing dishes. So, if I'm doing dishes, I can rinse them off real easy. If I want to take a shower, I can take a shower. And yeah, if the pressure, I only put 5 psi of pressure in here. I'm not sure how much this container can hold. I figure if there's too much pressure, it'll start leaking either down here or one of these other threaded things will leak. But if the pressure goes down, I can I can turn it on as I need to. But it lasts a little, enough for a while, just under one. Fill it up with 5 psi of pressure. The other thing is I did make a little bit longer hose if I want to wash off my car or something. I got a regular garden sprayer on that one. But it's not too long of a hose because space is always important for me when I travel. And then when I'm done with it, I don't travel with this with compressed air in it. Because of the setup, it has this little valve up here, so you can slowly release the air. But now, if I want hot water, my options is I can just set this water container in the sun and it'll get somewhat hot. But the other thing I can do is I got this heating coil, and I'll put this in the link below, and I can just stick it in here, plug it into my portable battery pack. This is a Delta. Plug it in here, and it'll heat up this water between 5 and 10 minutes to over 100. So yeah, this is my solution to having a portable shower or washer. I'm going to try to do a little close-up. So you can see this is a nut or whatever with a regular tire inflator on it, and I just tapped a hole in here, and I put a nut on the back side. Same thing with this. Put this through. I got a rubber washer out here, rubber washer on the inside, and the tricky part with this is if you got too thick of an arm, you're not going to get it down here. Mine just barely fit. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit for you guys. So here's the nut, just compressor there, and then down lower, if I can show you. Yeah, this is just like a garden spigot. Turn it on and off. It's just so I can shut it down. Yeah, that's about it. I think this is going to work out real well. I haven't done a real long road trip with it, but I am soon. Any issues, I'll let you know. But I like this solution. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share it with other people. Leave a comment down below if you think of a way to improve this or something else. Okay, catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.